Hello guys, welcome to the watch channel. My name is Oliver and today I have another unboxing and first impression video. This is a watch that I wanted for a long time. This is actually the first watch that I bought this year. It just took forever to get her. So let's just get straight to it and open it up. So yes, it's a list wrapped in the bubble wrap pretty well. Hopefully it's fine. The box looks to be okay. So here it is. As you can see, it's a Zelos watch. I've never had one of these before. I'm very excited to take a look at it. And the box seems pretty nice. It's wood. I don't know. It's okay. Hopefully what's inside looks even better. And it's in one of these rolls. Let's see if we can open this up. Pretty cool packaging on this with like a strap around it. And here's the watch. There it is. Let's see, there's some other things in here as well. There's a rubber strap, tropical rubber strap, which looks pretty nice as well. Here is, I guess, the authenticity card and some plastic. The card is really nice. It is metal. It looks pretty cool. So here is the watch. It's the Zelos Mako 3 with the Teal dial, and it looks amazing. I really like this sunburst dial. As you can see, it has this kind of swivel on it, which looks amazing. Very unique watch, you know, with this dial and everything. I think it's really cool to get something this unique for only $449. I think it's $499 with the bracelet. I think it usually comes on this rubber strap. Bezel feels really good. A little bit of play in it, but not a lot. Does it line up? I think it lines up. A little bit of play in it, but very little actually. Yeah, a little bit, but not much. It's acceptable for the price. Let's zoom in on the dial a little bit. What I maybe don't like is the red details. It has red text, and you see the red on the tip of the seconds hand. Other than that, the dial is beautiful. I guess the indices aren't my favorite, but it works. And the logo, the applied logo looks pretty cool. We also have a date window at the 6 o'clock with a blue background, which looks really good. Let's see if we can unscrew the crown. I like the crown on the 4th position so it doesn't dig into your wrist. There it winds. Set the time. Gonna jump over the date. There's the date. Alright. Crown is very easy to operate. Feels very solid. The color on this is really unique. It looks more blue on the camera. It looks a little bit more green in real life, like a hint of green in it. You also have a blue chapter ring, and I believe the bezel is loomed. Looks that way. Let's look at the side. It is brushed with some bevel polish edges. Crown has, I believe it has lume in it too. It has the Zelos logo. And the back of it. Let's see, let's open it up. There's a shark and some text. It is 300 meters water resistant. So that's a sticker on, so quite hard to see. And the bracelet feels really nice. I like the wide center link. Looks very good. end links look kind of weird going into a case like this. Case sticks out a little bit. I assume it looks fine. The bracelet itself, kind of a fancy design to it, but it feels very, very solid. I'm very impressed with the clasp, and yeah, the clasp is really good. It's actually quite impressive. Let's try and put it on the wrist, see if it fits me. It certainly does, but I mean it doesn't, it's way too big. It's quite hard to push it in actually, don't like that. So here it is on the wrist. I have to tighten up a little bit. It looks bigger on the camera again than it does in real life. It usually does that, but it looks really good. Obviously way too big, but yeah, let's take it off again. I like that you have the push buttons on the side here. Usually on watches at this price point you just have to flick it open. I like to have the buttons, but it's quite hard to push it in, which is quite frustrating, but it's okay. Let's try out the lume. Give me one moment. Okay guys, so here is the lume. As you can see, it's very, very bright. It did also charge up very, very easily. I love the lume on the second hand, on the tip there, it looks very cool. And the bezel is also fully illumined, as you can see. And look at that, the crown also has lume in it, which is very cool. I don't know if it's very useful, but it's very cool. I guess if you want to set the time, it's easier to find the crown, but I guess you can feel where it is anyway. But yeah, the lume looks very, very nice, and it's super bright, and I assume it's gonna last pretty long as well, but we'll have to wait for my review to find that out. So let's turn on the lights again. So here we are back. It's just a quick video, this unboxing this watch and giving you my first impressions. And my impressions are that this watch seems to be very good for the money. There are some things I don't like when it comes to design, but all in all I think it is a very handsome watch, and it seems to be very good quality for the money. I like that it's a unique design and not just a homage watch, and the dial is very, very cool. I love this sunburst effect. It looks very nice, and there's a lot of attention to detail here with the blue backdrop on the date. I think the clasp is pretty nice, and the dial is just obviously the main attraction of this watch. So all in all, that's just some quick thoughts on this watch. I am going to do a full review on this watch very soon, so please subscribe to my channel, and please like the video, it really helps me out also. And I hope you guys enjoyed looking at this watch. I'm definitely gonna enjoy wearing this and doing a full review. Should be coming out in a few weeks. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching, and goodbye.